Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Pankaj here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a soybean badi kebab. Once I made from the tandoor and another I will make from the gas. So two option, two choice. So here we go. First of all, we need to soak soybean and wash it properly. So here we go. Let's soak it around 5 to 6 minutes. And then we will bring it to boil. So just need to boil it around 2 to 3 minutes, then we will take it out. So here we go, preparation area. Now I need to cut some onion, one medium size of onion, roughly chop onion, half tomato and half capsicum, and then I will put some green chili. Here we go. We need to cut capsicum and one half tomato, half piece of tomato, half piece of capsicum for the kebab. We will do same roughly chop, no need to fine chop, and need some green chili. So it's ready. So soybean is boiled. Now we'll take it out and get it cold by the cold water and remove the excess water and make it dry. Now we need to grind it. No need to fine. Just once we start the mixer and close, so you can see it's already ready. Take a bowl, put it here. Now we will mix it with the spices and some cuts onion, tomato, capsicum. Here we go. We will add onion, capsicum, tomato, some green chili and roughly chopped coriander. Now salt according to taste, little turmeric powder for the color, chaat masala, cumin powder and coriander powder. Limited spices is there. Now we will put some boiled potato for their binding. We will grate it properly, mix it well, and add some flour, corn flour or gram flour, whatever you want to add for the binding as well. So now it's ready. Now need to take one skewer and stick it properly like this, and from inside we can apply some water and fix it properly. Then we will cook into the tandoor around 10 minutes, then we will check it. So let it cook, and the rest of masala we will make a patties like tikki, and then we will do the shallow fry. Now we put some desi ghee, clarify butter, and its heat. We will dust some flour from outside of the tikkis for their crispiness, and now we will cook it properly from all the way. So you can see, you can take a tong and a spatula, whatever. So its color getting changed. Now we will take it out. It looks nice. Here we go. It's approx ready. Now we will apply some butter and just put it around 30 seconds. Then we will take it out carefully and sketch by the knife, and we will take out from the skewer, cut it and serve it with mint sauce. Remove the bun part. I hope you love the recipe, and if you are new, so don't forget the subscribe channel. To choice, we will serve like a kebab, the tikkis, and enjoy the dish. Thank you so much for watching.